Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely, start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy, and check your blood sugar level, thyroid status and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Habayakran bagi nong pathai kubor uba apoleng do ulang ba Sorkar jela hagi snam kan mang bantai yaki 1000 ligi homestay bad hagi snam 1000 ligi homestay bad kani kan plela di Samla bani okam yo jam daga bapenya di homestay ulitho bagi Sorkar kan mang shpolak Tyngka naga benta kawai ke homestay hagabah nyo pho nak sispa ke pisa an baipura naga Sorkar jela lengba ke PMEG bad ke pisa ke basa laipo nak sispa kan wan kum garam na ka Meghalaya Rural Bank hagaba dan kam banbo benda AA uba poleng do ula kentu ki Samla bagian shim ngene kabu daga bami syakamat ban apply ban tei ki homestay barga jing tumu ke Sorkar ban le ngene program kadai ban kerjaan ya ki Samla bagian sengi ki homestay ka ban long kum kalat bagian yo akam yo ajam bat kan kentiu ru ya ka kam jung okai ha jela Hagawai pergaliang uba poleng do uli etho baka Sorkar kalarai banwanra ya katu gani ki project ki bakongsan ki bakenthop ya ke Orchid Lake Resort Apollo Orchid Shillong hapo ke joint venture bat kan sadon ke jing soi sekolah hap deng ke Sorkar bat ki kan hun shimet kaban syong kat kum ke jing syampang jongki hakikam jung okai bat ke jing penbiang ya ke Jakasa bat ke Sorkar ke kemi denti banla bat pemi bon ka khajna leng baka kam jung okai perthai da ka jing shim bentalang ki shimet uba poleng do uli thuru ba ka jela kan si onong bhaleng ba ka sekolah shimram kaban se soi hap deng Sorkar India bat ka New Development Bank ban bei Tyngka ya ka Meghalaya Eco Tourism Infrastructure Development Program MEIDP ulong baleng ba ka sekolah on nang snai ki Jakasa jong ginong jung okai perthai hagi jaka kum ha kong thong maulindap maulam bat ansna pen he bat pen bha ya ka jaka pen long ya ka tamasa wanggala bat ya ka Tura Convention Center
Homestay project kan long ka cimplela di Samla nomor ba iki entrepreneurs baro nomor po juga di project ke Sorkar ke ai hadu new 4% na ke jinglot jingsep ke panwan government new point Samla na benda itu project but ya ka balance amount ada kedon ke loan ke panwan na ke Meghalaya Rural Bank ke ba ke soft loan ke pemdan kam ke jing pen ya ke jing don ya ke ndo ne ke kot isla ke la ne ke property de katakan lombat pen jam ya ke jing la ke joki bane sno pat ke ne ke program bat ni don hadu shi hajar tylli di project ke bangin sanction shi man ka shi snap de ke bamut ba haga bakut choka san snap san hajar tylli ki homestay ni laban sanction ni pentikra ba ka ni ka process of selection kan long ka ba ngilale tikna ba kan long very thorough bangin bedru yaki antecedents jongki to ki applicant ka jingla ka jongki ba bakin manage ki community project but ha cukup por namar bangi ya ka jingkio ka jongki jingdon ki tourist ki ba wanjungo shani ka belajan boy khatsan la sisnem fact kadan ka jing tuna jongki kamera ki homestay ki bala lupa di hotel ki bala lupa te ta kamdi tang shalom asara de gidan du ini shnong ki ba thamai kumo ki ba komisha kongthong molunda datar ke ba shnong nang to hiru klap pau kwa ba nin shlo shlo namar bangi suthu ba creation of job opportunities ne pal adika challenge ke ba hai ni di nak terdaungi bet beyond the government sector te kani kan kemut indirectly ni aikam ni Samla ki jongi la rashi hajar li ki homestay ni create system but san ngut yo kam tang hoi homestay ru mut belate ke katanam.
Nong ai kitian ke Sorkar MDA uba poleng do. Ong baga jing shimrai ke Sorkar jela ban pawat benia banwan ra eklen tiral. Kadai ban pulia benia aswai ke jing mentoy bat ke jing do nong. Ki ai ke jing bha bat ki ai ke jing sniu. Ong baleng baga ne ke jing wat benia anshim ya ke jing sngo ni ki kenhon baper ha ke bedai bat kelen tiral. Uba poleng do ong bahap ban peneper hap pedeng karel kit breu bat karel kit mar. Bat dai ban pej ru ya ke jing nong jing man bat ke ai ke ban syakta ka saudong saukun. Bat haban kemi benia aru lakan kata ke jing don kipat bat penslur ya ke jing wan rong kertep bean ki breu benabar. Bat kini ki digimat ki bekongsan ha ke jing wat benia.
Government has announced that they will conduct a feasibility study, would also mean that the concerns of the various groups will be addressed in that study. Well, first you have to make a very fine distinction between goods trains and passenger trains. Two, you also have to take the ecology into consideration. What would be the impact on the ecosystem? Three, you take into account things like whether it will cause any imbalance in population and encourage illegal immigration. Those are core parameters that will ideally be part of this study that you referred to.
Ha kawai pat kaliang uba poleng do ubalong nong yalam ke UDP. Ong bakaseng UDP ke yang scam ke jingkular bakan don ke jingi teli jong barok ke jet benriu. Bat ke dega kamram jingi nong chong snong hapu ke India bakin yang bat ban penne ya kani bakan sin syarat ba. Ong ba ka jingi teli lang jong barok kalong ke basai kedar bat ke don ke jet benriu bat ke jingit ke baper hendrei ke teli lang kawai. Ulito bakaseng kaldak ban penlong ya ke jingi Govt Tyngka pering Samla College halor ke UCC. Bat keseng UDP kan saben kre ekador khas bat anselet IT Shakal Law Commission.
As a party, the UDP is already organizing an inter-college debate on the UCC. We stand firmly by our commitment that unity in diversity as a fundamental belief of Indians should stand and reign supreme. Unity in diversity. The implication is very clear. We are diverse and united. Following the debate, we will come up with a memorandum which we will submit to the Law Commission. 1. 2 is as ADCs, Autonomous District Councils, of which I am a part of as an MDC of JR constituency. We have already adopted a resolution last year, the 3 ADCs to oppose the UCC.